Hi, my name's Camille, and today we are going to be decluttering and organizing my lovely linen slash utility slash a lot of things closet. First, a little bit about myself. I'm a stay-at-home homeschooling mom to 4 kiddos. They are 8, 7, 4, and 2, and I'm 30 weeks pregnant right now. So we have a lot going on all the time. We have a very fun house here. If you're anything like me, you have a couple of tasks that are not hard. You just put them off because this is one of those tasks for me. So our house is relatively small. It's perfect for us. We love our home, but it's a little bit small and it's a little bit lacking on the storage side. So the best way to combat that is by decluttering. Now that's something I've been putting off, and this is a closet, as you'll see, that has a lot of functions. It's like a linen closet. It stores all of our cleaning tools, so it's like a utility closet. I keep some craft stuff in here. It's a lot. So I have to do one of these to really make sure it's closed, right? If you have to do that, you gotta do something about it. You gotta fix it. So anyway, here's what we're working with, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's a lot, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's not hard. It's just a matter of doing it, right? How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Here's our elephant. Let's eat it. So what I've learned is that the best way to deal with this kind of a thing is to take everything out. So I'm gonna be taking everything out of here, putting it on the dining room table and sorting from there. I'm gonna get rid of things that are expired because it's also our medicine cabinet, forgot to say. So I'm gonna be getting rid of things that are expired or empty even. Looks like that's pretty probable. Throwing away things that are just trash and reorganizing, reconfiguring, reassessing the organization system. There's still some evidence of a system that was once in place, but you know how it goes. You just put something away, you just throw real quick because you're in a hurry, and then it happens. I don't have to explain myself. We're just gonna do it. Let's go. I have this amazing organizer with nothing organized on it. But it's gonna be organized. finding things that I've been looking for, which is nice, like the little sweeper thing for the dustpan. I'll hope I don't find any bugs. That's the worst part, is not knowing what lurks in y'all. Woo! Sweating and breathing harder. So everything's out. That's great. I'm gonna clean it with just an all-purpose spray and just wipe down so that it's ready to receive the freshly organized bins, etc. And then I'm gonna sweep it out, and then we will get to sorting and organizing the items that are now on the dining room table. Of course, we always want to start at the top and work our way down. I don't know if you can see me. We always want to start at the top and work our way down. That way the dust that's up here is falling down there where it can be swept at the end. I don't know how to put in like sound effects, so I have to do my own. Definitely cue the knife music. So here's what we've got to work with. This is all the stuff that was in there. Again, as you can see, they're like used to be systems. There's bins with labels and things like that. But we just got to reevaluate that because it's obviously not working since it's ending up crazy in there. And then this is the bin of reusable bags. So we're gonna go through that and declutter that. Obviously, why would I need that many? I don't. And then here is all the plastic bags that I need to actually take in to be recycled because they're just taking up a ton of space in my little tiny closet. And that's silly. Just extra random things. And then look at all these cleaning tools. I'm just gonna make sure, I think I do use all of them. Well, one of the brooms should go outside. Yeah, so that's everything. Right, so I'm just gonna start one thing at a time of evaluating whether or not I need that thing. So this is a humidifier. I need it. Do I need to? I do need to, because what if we need one in the adults room and then one of the kids' rooms? It's happened before. So I'm gonna keep both of the humidifiers and I'm just gonna put them in a nice spot in there, just so they're not so cumbersome. I think I'll put them up on the top shelf. So I'll go do that now. I'm gonna put those away now so I have more space. It's also obvious that some of these things just shouldn't go in that closet. They were just obviously thrown in there for some reason. Like I have my pedal for my sewing machine. My sewing machine doesn't live in that closet, it lives in a different place. So I'm gonna put this back where it goes. There's also a big bag of like gift wrap stuff, which the gift wrap stuff goes in a totally different place. So a lot of it's just gonna be putting things in its proper home. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna start putting like things together, like first aid things. They used to all be in one bin, and now they're kind of spread out. So I'm just gonna start to reconsolidate. And then it's funny because like, look at this whole bin. Has like, the items inside the bin don't justify the space it takes up. So it's all right, we're working it out. So like I mentioned, that closet has a lot of purposes. One of them is linen closet. So one of the ways that I made it so that we could use more space in there, so that we would have more space in there, was that I put everyone's sheets, their change of sheets, in their room. So we each have a bin in our rooms for our change of sheets. We just have 2 sets of sheets each so that we can change it out, wash the other side. We keep those in our rooms so that we don't have so much linen in the linen closet. For some reason though, I thought I should keep all the extra pillowcases in there. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put extra pillowcases in the rooms with the change of sheets. Also, there's no way that I need this many pillowcases. So let's declutter. Bye-bye. So now the only linen things in the linen closet are gonna be towels. I just did a big load of towels, so I'll put those all away. And then I've got this little, see, art, I don't know. I've got this little bin here that has another little bin inside of it. The little bin in the little bin is for washcloths, and then this is for hand towels for the bathroom. So I'll declutter that now. Well, hey, that looks a lot happier now. I'm happy with it. So yeah, it really is just about starting, right? I've already made a good amount of progress and I'm feeling good. So it's just about starting. Don't put off these things, you know? Put on some music. I should say my kids aren't here today. They're with my mom, and my husband is at work. So I had some quiet time today. You can do this. I could do this with my kids. Yeah, it'd take a little longer because they would interrupt. They might even help though. See how I'm walking around so much? I could just ask them to carry those things into those different rooms if they were here. So, let's see, yeah. This is empty, yo. Excuse me. So, empty bin. Yeah. With another empty bin. Yeah. So another thing I found is that I had a whole box of Swiffer dusters in like the back crevasse, but I didn't know, so I bought a whole nother pack. Of course I'll use them, so it's fine, but it's just another reason to declutter and organize, just to see what you have so you don't spend money before you have to, you know. So I'm gonna finish decluttering. I'm getting close. I feel good. I'm gonna declutter those bags. I'm gonna put those in my trunk where they will not live for a long time. I will take them to be recycled. this week. But I'm gonna get that all done and put everything away, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so it is finished. Here's the glorious after. It's super satisfying, guys. Super satisfying to me, at least. So I'll just kind of take you through a little bit of it. Obviously I decluttered some towels. We just have 2 per person. Some of them are in the bathroom now. And then like I showed you, we did the hand towels and washcloths to organize there. I definitely got rid of several of my reusable grocery bags. So that's good. Over here I have the extra pieces for the Kirby. I don't use them super often because I won one of those cordless vacuums that has attachments. That's just easier. But sometimes I use them, so they're just there if I need them. The Kirby can now slide in and out with ease without having to angle it or anything like that. I actually used my hanging organizer for its purpose, and it's great. I really like that thing. Oh, over here is where I actually keep the grocery bags. So I just need to figure out how to move them to my car when it gets out of control. So up here is where I have those humidifiers. The distilled water will live up there because that one needs distilled water, and so does the mop thing. The Swiffer dusters will be right there. I have my craft stuff up there. I have empty space here. First aid. This is the actual like first aid box. It's got all the band-aids and stuff. And then this is just the big bottles of things. Sunscreen and skin type things. And then here we have all the adult medicine. Got rid of a couple of things that were expired for like a few years. Children's medicine, batteries, and baby proofing stuff is in there. And then this just has like tools that I might use to hang up pictures and things to hang up pictures, different utility things. So yeah, this is our super multi-purpose hall closet, and I'm so happy with how it turned out after the declutter. Thank you guys so much for joining me today as we decluttered and cleaned and organized our multi-purpose hall closet. It was really satisfying. I love watching these kinds of videos. They really motivate me to get going. So I hope that helped you out today. If you have a project that you've been putting off, just tackle it. It's not going to take as long as you think, probably. And even if you don't finish the whole thing, like maybe just do one shelf or something like that. Just start, and you'll just feel so good after you've done that. And again, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You'll see some more things like this and homeschooling stuff and just different encouraging mom stuff. Well, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.